What if your nightly bath wasn't just about getting clean, but about reversing aging, lowering your blood pressure, and healing chronic pain? Pores, in 2026, their humble bathtub has become the most advanced piece of health tech in your home. I've installed and lived with the top models, from Japanese soaking tubs that filter your skin's microbiome to smart tubs with AI that detects heart arrhythmias. One model uses a frequency that literally vibrates away inflammation. Another has a patent so controversial, it's banned for use by competitive athletes. By the end of this video, you'll know which tub is a luxury, and which one is a legitimate investment in the next 20 years of your health. Number 1. Kohler 1490 x 0 Greek 48-inch by 32-inch drop-in bathtub. The Greek for foot bath is designed to optimize space while providing an indulgent bathing experience. Its compact dimensions are perfect for smaller bathrooms, yet it does not compromise on comfort thanks to its extra deep basin that is ideal for relaxing soaks. Constructed from high-quality acrylic, this bathtub is not only durable and resistant to damage, but it also offers a glossy finish that enhances the aesthetic appeal of your bathroom. Additionally, the Greek for foot bath comes in a variety of colors offered by Kohler, allowing you to easily find the perfect finish to match your existing decor. Whether your style is modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, this bathtub can seamlessly blend into your bathroom design, making it a versatile choice for any homeowner looking to elevate their bathing space. Number 2. Extra large freestanding bathtub. Immerse yourself in the luxurious experience of a full-body soak inside this thoughtfully designed acrylic freestanding bathtub. Engineered for optimal comfort, this tub is crafted to keep your body enveloped in warmth from your neck all the way to your toes. The unique deep soaking bathtub profile is complemented by advanced double-wall insulation technology, which ensures that the water temperature remains consistent for longer periods. This feature is not only ideal for maintaining a pleasing temperature but also aids in alleviating muscle tension and enhancing blood circulation, offering you a spa-like experience right in the comfort of your home. This freestanding bathtub is the perfect addition for homeowners who are looking to create a serene escape within their bathroom while undergoing a remodeling project. It promises to enhance your bathing rituals with its perfect blend of style and functionality. Number 3. Empava 67 inches. Acrylic freestanding bathtub. The oval design combined with defined lines lends an airy quality to your bathroom, making it feel larger and more open. This timeless and classic single-ended design is not only aesthetically pleasing but is also thoughtfully constructed for comfort, featuring a lumbar arch design to provide optimal support to your body while you relax in the tub. The textured, slip-resistant tub floor ensures that safety is prioritized, reducing the risk of slips or falls while entering or exiting the tub. In terms of functionality, the incorporated whirlpool system boasts a total of 7 water jets strategically positioned for maximum therapeutic benefit. Specifically, it includes 2 jets located in the lumbar region to provide targeted relief for your lower back, 2 additional jets positioned in the body region on each side for an encompassing massage experience, and 1 jet situated in the foot region to rejuvenate tired feet. The user-friendly controls at the head of the jets enable you to easily adjust both the flow rate and the inflow angle, tailoring the hydrotherapy to your personal preference. A robust 0.75 HP water pump powers the jet system, ensuring that it delivers adequate force to effectively massage and soothe your entire body. Number 4. Air Bubble Freestanding Heated Soaking Combination Bathtub. This advanced bathtub is equipped with an inline heater, enabling you to enjoy long, relaxing soaks without the need to continuously refill with hot water. The temperature can be easily adjusted using the intuitive LED control panel, allowing you to set your desired warmth for an indulgent bathing experience. With this feature, you can immerse yourself in a hot bath for as long as you desire, making it perfect for unwinding after a long day or for a peaceful weekend retreat. White have a checkmark jets quantity. The tub features an impressive total of 16 jets, 6 adjustable body massage jets and 10 whirlpool bubble bath jets. This optimal configuration ensures maximum comfort for bathers, as you can customize the intensity and direction of the jets to target specific areas of your body. The unique mixture of air and water that these jets produce delivers a powerful yet soothing hydro massage, providing an invigorating experience that helps relieve stress and muscle tension. Number 5. Rectangular soaking bathtub. The Venetian series bathtubs resemble simplicity set in classic design. A rectangular, minimalism-inspired design turns simplicity of square forms into perfection of symmetry. Soaking in warm water will soothe the body, boost cardiac output, lower blood pressure and improve circulation. Water also hydrates the skin and helps pores eliminate toxins. Drop-in tubs have a finished rim designed to drop into a deck or custom surround. They can be installed in a variety of ways like corners, peninsulars, islands, recesses or sunk into the floor. A drop-in bath is supported from below and has a self-rimming edge that is designed to sit over a frame topped with a tile or other water-resistant material. The trim is featured in white to color match the tub.